All right, welcome. Today we are on a mission to crack a universal code. I'm talking about a system that can pinpoint any location on a flat surface with just two little numbers. You ready to dive in? I mean, really think about it for a second. Every time you're moving your character in a video game or you drop a pin on a digital map, you are using this exact system. But how in the world can two numbers possibly pinpoint one single exact spot in a massive grid? Well, that's the mystery we're going to crack today. Okay, so the secret weapon here is something called the coordinate plane. It's basically just a universal grid made from two number lines. You've got the horizontal one, that's the x-axis, and the vertical one, the y-axis. And see where they cross, right in the middle? We call that our home base, the origin. Its address is always 0, 0, and it's the starting point for everything. So when you look at this map, you'll notice it's naturally split into 4 different sections, right? For our mission, we're going to call these territories. And what's cool is that each one has its own unique set of rules for any point that happens to land inside its borders. And this table, this is basically the master key. It's all about the signs of the numbers. Whether they're positive or negative, those signs instantly tell you which territory or quadrant you're in. So if you see 2 positive numbers, bam, you're in quadrant I. 2 negative numbers, you're automatically in quadrant 3. It's a super simple rule, but it is so powerful. Okay, so we've got the lay of the land, we know about the 4 territories, but how do we actually read the address, that pair of numbers, to find our target? Well, now it's time to really crack the coordinate code. And here it is, the big secret. The numbers, they're just directions. That's all they are. The first number, the x value, tells you how to move horizontally. If it's positive, you go right. If it's negative, you go left. Then the second number, the y value, tells you how to move vertically. Positive means up, negative means down. Seriously, that's it. That is the entire code. All right, let's stop talking theory and actually put this into practice. We've got 3 case files, 3 people we need to locate on our map. Let's use our brand new code cracking skills to find them. Okay, case file number 1. We're looking for Joseph, and his coordinates are 2, -4. Let's track him down. First things first, we always start at our home base, right? The origin, 0, 0. Okay, the first number is a positive 2, so that means we move 2 steps to the right. Now, from that spot, we look at the second number, a -4, which means we go 4 steps down, and boom, there he is, location found in quadrant 4. Next up, Ruth. Her coordinates are -5, -3. Okay, back to the origin we go. The x value is -5, so which way do we go? We move 5 units to the left this time. And the y value is -3. So from there, we head 3 units down. And look at that. There she is, smack in the middle of quadrant 3. Hey, remember that rule about 2 negative numbers? See, it works. Okay, our final target is Daniel at 0, 6. Now this one's a little different. It's interesting. The first number is 0. So, do we go left or right? Nope, we don't move horizontally at all. We stay put. Then, the second number is a +6, so we just move 6 units straight up. And notice what happened. He didn't land in a territory. He's sitting right on the y-axis line itself. And this brings us to a really important rule. If either one of your coordinates is 0, you're going to land directly on an axis, not inside one of the quadrants. It's kind of like the axes are the border lines between the territories. You can be standing on the borderline without actually being in any of the 4 territories. So, there you have it. We cracked the code, we solved our case files, but now it's your turn to navigate. Let's put this new skill of yours to the test. All right, here is your mission should you choose to accept it. Where would you find the point -2, -8? Just think about the directions. Where on that map would you end up? Go on, I'll give you a second to think about it. Okay, you got it? Let's see. From the origin, that -2 tells you to move 2 units to the left. Then, the -8 tells you to move 8 units down. And that puts you squarely in quadrant 3. If that's what you got, then awesome. Mission accomplished. You have officially cracked the code. So the big takeaway here is this. Every pair of coordinates isn't just some random set of numbers. It is a precise, unique set of directions to one and only one location on the entire map. So now you've got the key, and honestly, this is a fundamental skill for so many things. We're talking design, coding, navigation, even data science. So really, the only question left is, Now that you can map any point, what worlds are you going to chart?